Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download folder from Google Drive directly to your mobile phone. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's get started. Here you can see I have already opened up my Google Drive, and now here you can see one of my folder. Let's open the folder and you can see I have one photo here in my folder. Now to download that folder, just tap right here on three dots, and here you can see there is no option to download directly that folder to my phone. Now Google Drive did not given any option, so all I have to do is just I can tap on add a shortcut to drive. I can create a shortcut, or I can move that folder to some other files within a Google Drive. So guys, unfortunately Google Drive haven't given any option to download the folder. Hope you guys understand and like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.